Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the start of this year's Halloween looks. A friend of mine suggested that I do Lily from the Munster, so I was like, yeah, that would be awesome. I did Morticia last year, and why not do Lily, right? She's awesome. Yeah, so here's a picture. Okay, that is the picture I went off of, and I went a little more intense in the color, or tried to, to make it, I don't know, more Halloween-y. Yeah, if you want to see how to go about this, or how to go about recreating this look, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette and also the Poster Child palette from Wet n Wild. This Clairol Root Touch-Up eyeshadow and the Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter collection. Also Naked Cosmetics HD powder. Kajal eyeliner from Black Radiance, L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, Wet n Wild, pencil liner, and Starstruck Ciate liner. Duo eyelash glue, and you're going to need some falsies for this. This RK lip liner in red, and Wet n Wild Calling Your Buff eye pencil. Maybelline lipstick in Dynamite red, and Wet n Wild lip gloss and Crushed Rubies. My usual concealer from Maybelline, and here are all the brushes I used. There's a bunch of the same kind, so don't worry. Okay, let's begin. Start with your face having foundation on. Apply your foundation first, then we're going to take the highlighter brush and we're going to go into Doom and Gloom. How appropriate is that? I decided to go with a powder instead of a cream, but you can certainly go with a cream makeup that is a light turquoise. So I blended the green and the blue to create this greenish bluish skin tone. I'm going to pat it on and blend it. Okay, now with a blending brush, we are going into Dagger, which is a matte gray, and we're going to contour the nose. Next up, eye pencil, and we're going to fill the brows. I started just filling out my natural eyebrow on the inner part, and then we're gonna go and make at the arch. You're just gonna go straight up towards the temple. Now with an angled eyeliner brush, we're going to blend it a little bit to make it smooth. Now we're going to fill it some more and mattify it with the Root Touch-Up from Clairol. You can use any matte black eyeshadow. Now concealer time for our eyelid. Patting it down. We're going to go into the darkest blue from Poster Child, and we're going to pat it with a rounded shadow brush or shader brush. So pat, 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 bring it all the way up to the eyebrow. And the temples, of course. You're going to create like a triangular shape. Next up is a blending brush, and we're going to blend the edges and in the inner corner to make it nice and smooth, or as much as we can to feather it out. Now eyeliner. We're going to start by sharpening the ends of the eyebrow. And then I'm going to create some hair strokes. So you don't have to do this, but I like doing this, so it just helps to make it look darker. For the eyeliner, I did go with a nice thick wing. So I'm drawing the outline first. And then filling it in. Okay, now we're lining underneath, and we're going to go under the lash line, but we're going to go straight out, making a horizontal line. Now mascara, we're going to apply a little bit of mascara on the roots of the eyelashes before we apply the falsies. Now we're going to take the glue and the eyelash, let it dry for a little bit after you apply it on the band, and then put them on. Now mascara again, we're going to put mascara on to blend the natural lashes with the falsies. Okay, now with the kajal, we're going to draw the widow's peak. And if you already have one, you can exaggerate it a little bit or darken it. I'm going to use this brush to blend the kajal in towards the hairline. And taking this Root Touch Up eyeshadow, because it is an eyeshadow, to darken it. Now we're going to take Calling Your Buff, and we're going to line the waterline. This will open the eyes and brighten them. Back with the same rounded shader brush that we used for the eyes, I think, or a shader brush, and we're just gonna carve out the cheekbones with the blue, dark blue eyeshadow, and we're gonna blend around the edges. Now with a highlighter brush, we're gonna go into the green highlight. And we're going to apply it on the cheekbones and go up towards the temples, bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the chin as well. Now, grabbing her lip products. Line your lips, and the way they lined her lips, it's like a rounded heart shape, so you go outside your lip line a little bit to make that rounded shape. Applying the lipstick. And you can apply lip gloss if you want. You don't have to do this part. This is just an extra that I wanted to do. Putting that away, and the look is done. Okay, that is the look for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and that you can go ahead and try this look if you want to do Lily this year, or if you have a party to go to and something that you can recreate using makeup. You don't need anything really special, maybe except for the eyelashes, but you don't have to, or you know, you can find eyelashes anywhere. Yeah, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more videos, and this month will be the Halloween ones. Yeah, and until next time, rock on. See how to go ahead and do this, how to if it's with all this stuttering and tongue-tying again. I am wearing this hairpiece thing. It's one of those headband ones where it has a little line thing and it gives you like this really long hair, but it's making me hot and it's making me sweat. Ooh. And it makes me wonder, if I had really long hair like that, would I always be hot? Especially like during the summer, I'd probably be all sweaty and uncomfortable. It's so weird. My face is green, but my body's not. I didn't want to go all the way down because it's too much, and I'm gonna go wash this off after I take pictures, so I don't want to fuss too much. Yeah. So, is it weird seeing me like this and talking? Probably, right? I keep seeing myself and I'm like, who is that? But yeah, stay tuned for next week's. I have some ideas, and then I am thinking of doing an Amy Lee look that is more Halloweenish, so we can throw a Amy Lee makeup look in there, which I think would be really fun. But yeah, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.